Hello, we're still at the Salon du Bourget. I'm not sure you say the Bourget in English, but I'm not.
Le Bourget,
Le Bourget.
everybody knows.
I'm with Marc from WFL. Marc, how are you?
Bonjour, très bien, ça va très bien.
Ah, donc, du coup en français alors.
Non, on continue en anglais.
Can you explain me what is WFL? What you are doing, and what you are here?
So I work in the Los Angeles office. I provide sales for WFL in all the western states in the United States and Canada. And what we do is we specialize in aerospace applications that are very difficult to machine materials. So we specialize in stainless, titaniums, Inconels, very hard materials. And the reason is that our machine is sturdier than all others because we start with a base casting of a slant bed machine. Other than that, we go after all the very difficult to machine materials with high pressure coolants, extremely tailored custom tooling.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, what do you think about this trade show in particular?
Oh, this trade show is phenomenal. I mean, we just saw a fighter jet outside overhead. Yeah, it's really international. I saw people here from all over the world. It really is impressive.
What are your main challenge today for a company like WFL? You are specialized only on this aeronautic market, or do you work with others? And what are your challenges today to bring more business for your company?
We strictly make mill turns. We invented the mill turn back in the early 80s. And for us, it's really targeting the right customers. That's our challenge because there are a lot of mill turns out there that people are willing to buy, but we're at a price point that's pretty high because of our efficiency and the stability of our machines. We go after turnkey projects, and not everybody is willing to do that.
What's next for you in this trade show?
In this trade show, I have to still go take a look at the American pavilion. There's a lot of American companies here, and it's really impressive as to how many different foreign pavilions there are. There are so many companies here.
Marc, thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.